Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use an eosio node with eosio.evm contract deployed directly with Ethereum services such as Remix here to deploy your contract and Metamask to sign the transaction. So first thing first, head on over to where you have the eosio.evm repository cloned. If you move into the EVM mock RPC, just install the packages with npm I, and then just run npm run start. And these instructions are in the README here too, as you can see, npm I, and you can edit the constants here. Here's where you would enter in the eosio node endpoint, the chain ID, which matches what you have specified in your contract at compile time, your Ethereum private keys, which matches the Ethereum address that you'll import into the service like Metamask, where the EOS contract, where the eosio.evm is deployed. Here we have it deployed at EVM contract 2 on the Jungle 2 chain, and then the EOS private keys for the account that acts as the relayer in this instance. And so now we move on to npm run start, and we see here that it has started. We've started the local RPC server at localhost 3000. If we go back to our browser here, now in Metamask, what you do is you go to the networks right here, you add a custom RPC. Let's see if that will work here. We might have to log in first, so let's log in here. And let's do a custom RPC. So let's call this EOS. We can do localhost 3000 as chain ID 1. And let's click save. So here now we can now go here in Remix. So Remix is a tool that's used to deploy contracts on Ethereum quite commonly. It has a lot more things. It supports both Solidity and Viper. So here we have a Solidity contract. Let's select Solidity. If we go here, we have a standard ERC20 contract here. It imports in all the normal ERC20 stuff. If we go here, we compile the token. Now we have it compiled. And here you switch to the injected Web3. It automatically picks up the MetaMask, and it picks up the address that we have here in MetaMask. We've already imported this address. This matches the address that you would have already created in the contract using the create function, and import your Ethereum private key in here. Now, if we want to deploy it, let's say we deploy it here. Let's create a token called Saeed token, right? With precision 8 and a million initial supply. We click deploy. We press confirm. MetaMask pops up for the transaction verification. We click confirm. Confirms the transaction. It shows here that it has been successful, gives you all the data, all the input. And if we actually go here on jungle.blocks.io, let's search up the EVM contract 2 right here and let the actions load. We actually see right here, this transaction right here shows that it was deployed. The whole contract, the whole ERC20 contract was deployed, and there's no sender here because it was actually signed using our Ethereum private key, and all of this executes in under 1 millisecond. So yeah, that's a short tutorial on how you can get all these Ethereum services working with only an eosio node and our mock RPC server. Thank you for watching.